Hey there, folks. So today the solar powered battery, which is full, is now disconnected from the inverter on the main fuses and has this kind of sneaky connection on the positive and the negative side into just a little isolator, and it's running out to this lovely creation here, which is a Tesla Model S rear drive unit. So as part of this, we have the Tesla Model S rear drive unit, and then we have power, which I've connected on just via a Tesla junction box. And then over here we have the pre-charge contactor. You can just use a relay, but that's what I had. And then you got the resistor, and that goes over the main positive contactor, which then, once it's happy, will allow power onto the bus for the motor. Over here we have a Tesla Model 3 electric accelerator pedal, and all of these cables, this part over here is a version 1 control panel, which has an ignition switch, a start switch, and a forward and a reverse button. So right now everything's off. So in order to start this creation up, basically it's now sitting here, and here is the control panel. And when I switch on the ignition, the pre-charge contactor will close to effectively charge the inverter's capacitors. So I'll switch on. Now that's pre-charged. So now all I have to do is give it a start. So now it's closed the main contactor and open the pre-charge because it doesn't need it anymore. So now all we have to do is put it into forward, and then that means that we can start it up. You'll notice that I said forward, but actually it's kind of mixed up. It's got something to do with the way the voltage is reversed. Apparently it's pretty common on first startups. So there I'm giving it that, and just a little bit of input you can see on this clamp meter down here. Not really. I think when I revved it a bit, it went up to about 20 amps. Let me try. Whoops, kind of overloaded too late. A little bit of power, say 20 amps. 20 amps at 51 volts DC. And that is our version 1 test. And it works. It's pretty cool. Okay then, now all I gotta do is stick it in a car.